Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum children. I hope you're all doing very well. Today we will talk about this very interesting, funny story written by O. Henry. And the name of the story is The Ransom of Red Chief. Now this is the story about two kidnappers who ended up paying the ransom for their deed rather than receiving one. यानी क्या हुआ कि इंस्टेड कि उनको रैंसम मिलता उनको खुद रैंसम देना पड़ गया. अब ये कैसे हुआ? लेट अस फाइंड आउट. I'll just give you a little summary of what the whole story is about. I hope you will be able to understand the story well through this summary, okay? Now, Bill and Sam are the two kidnappers who live in Alabama. When an idea of kidnapping occurs to them. And they think, because they want some money and they want some easy money. So they think that if they kidnap the son of a prominent citizen, Mr. Dorset, it will fetch them some good lot of money. So one day they go and kidnap the boy while he was playing, and they take him to a cave near the town of Summit. Now Summit is the place where they live. It is the town. It's the name of the place. Okay. Now the boy is 10 years old and he's very mischievous. बहुत शरारती बच्चा है. 10 साल का बहुत शरारती है, and he's not at all afraid of his kidnappers. बिल्कुल भी डर नहीं लगा उसे अपने kidnappers से. On the contrary, he starts playing with them. He imagines that he is the Red Chief and that Sam and Bill are his captives. यानी वो Red Chief है और Sam और Bill उसके गुलाम हैं. He calls Bill Old Hank and Sam Snake Eye. In the evening, he said that he will take Bill's scalp at the daybreak and then will burn Sam on the stake. यानी कि दूसरे दिन सुबह वो Bill का सर उड़ा देगा और Sam को वो stake पे कबाब की तरह भून डालेगा. This is what he plans to do with his two captives. So, at dawn, Sam is awakened by Bill's screams. इतना चीख रहा था Bill. क्यों चीख रहा था? Because the boy was sitting on him and he was trying to take his scalp with a little knife. यानी literally वो उसका सर उड़ाने की कोशिश कर रहा था. So Sam becomes so afraid. उसको इतना डर लगा because the boy, he knows what the boy wants to do with him. The boy wants to make a kebab out of him. तो उसको इतना डर लगा. After breakfast, Sam decides to go to the town to find out how the people are reacting to the kidnapping. But he finds out that the town is very peaceful. कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा. सब लोग आराम से, उनको कोई फिक्र ही नहीं है kidnapping की. So he returns to the cave, and when he returns, he finds that Bill is very nervous and he's literally begging Sam to let the boy go. Please इसको छोड़ाओ वापस. मैं इसको नहीं रख सकते. He's very शरारती. So the two men decide that they will write a letter to the father of the boy and they will demand a ransom of $2,000. यानी खत लिखेंगे और उसके अंदर $2,000 मांगेंगे. The next day, the father responds. The father writes back. And he writes in the letter that he is in no hurry to get his son back. यानी मुझे कोई जल्दी नहीं है. You can keep him for as long as they want. On the contrary, he said, however, he can help them by taking his son back only if the kidnappers pay him $250. वो कहते हैं अच्छा ठीक है, मैं आपसे अपना बच्चा वापस ले लूँगा सिर्फ एक शर्त पे कि मैं तो कोई पैसे नहीं दूँगा, बल्कि you give me $250. So when they received this answer, उनको इतना वो डर गए थे उस वक्त तक वो बच्चे से, that they're so scared and they're so fed up of him that they're overjoyed by the offer. बहुत खुश हुए कि हाँ भाई ठीक है, हम सिर्फ $250 दे के इस बच्चे से जान छुड़ाते, इसने तो हमारा जीना हराम कर दिया. So Bill is beyond happiness and they decide to take the boy home. Of course, the boy doesn't want to go back home. He's so excited. He's so adventurous. उसको बड़ा मजा आ रहा है एक adventurous जिंदगी गुजारने में, ऐसे खेलने में, freedom की जिंदगी उसको he's really liking it. So he doesn't want to go back home. And when he finds out that they're taking him to his home, he grabs Bill's leg and tries to bite him. Pakad ke na, Bill ka leg, he tries to bite him. Now Bill is so scared. The father says that he will keep his son for about 10 minutes only. So they should run away as fast as they can. Bill says that he will run so fast that in 10 minutes he will be at the Canadian border. Itna dar gaye the kidnappers that they said that they will run as fast as they can and they will cross the border only. Isn't this funny? How funny it was that the kidnappers, who are supposed to be scary, zahir hai kidnappers itne scary hote hain, वो खुद एक बच्चे से इतना खौफ खा गए, इतना डर गए. This is really funny. This is interesting, है ना? So I hope you enjoyed the story. I hope you will understand it properly now. And in the next session, we will very briefly discuss the question answers, and you will do them in your copies. Take care of yourselves and your family. Hope to see you again. Allah Hafiz.